Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos, and today I will do one of these videos, what is in my bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and unboxing the Montaigne GM Louis Vuitton bag. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, I just want to show you the bag first. This is how it looks. This is a really big box, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. As always, I like their boxes. It's like magnetic. So this is the bag. If you follow me for some time, I had the Montaigne GM, the MM1, the medium one. I love that bag. I told you that that's my favorite. It was a black one. So this is like that but bigger. You see how big it is? It's like a size of never full. It's really huge, you guys. So I do love their dust bag, and this bag is look like this, you guys. By the way, the quietest room in my house right now is my bedroom, so I am in my sitting room. My daughter came back from college. They closed the college down, so my kids are excited, screaming, playing. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. So where we was, if you ask me where I was, oh my goodness, you guys, I've been teaching my little son at home because he's the first grader. So you know, you have to sit down with them and be there for them. So it took like hours and hours from my time, and I couldn't do anything, you guys. I can't even film any video for you guys. I am so sorry. Hopefully things will get better, but alright, you guys, it comes with authentication card, a key, we're gonna open it in a minute, and a string if you like a string. I always like a big bag, and this is gonna be my favorite. It does have a fit. I love fit, you guys. I always tell you. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and keep those. It has a little bit of kind of tapey thing over there, but I'm gonna keep them, so you know. Alright, let me remove the stuffs. Do you guys keep the stuff for a bag? I do keep it all the time, so whenever I don't use it, I put it inside. Wow. This is going to be, it's going to hold a lot of things. I love the way they package it. And those things. Right. Oh, I like the inside because it is red microfiber. It's so pretty. And there is a tag over here. You see that? You have to remove all those things. See? So that's why I don't make that much videos, but I miss you guys so much. You know how hard it is to be a parent. Especially right now, we are doing our parenting stuff and outside stuff too, you know. When they go to school, you have time to do things, but right now you gotta teach your kids. So this is the most beautiful bag I ever seen. Let's open this one. It also comes with a gift bag, a ribbon, okay, in a card. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. There is a key. But I like to put the red here, so it will be easy for me to open it. So this is huge, that you can put your wallet and things like that. And this string is not that long, okay? So it can't be for crossbody. So this is not that long, but it's really great to just hold it here. And you see this one? You see this one? You can lock it in here. You see? Like that, you can lock it. A mirror image of the authentic Louis Vuitton bag. This is about $400, you guys. But you cannot even tell which one is mirror image, which one is the real one, because it's made just like it. So if you're interested, I'm gonna leave their information on the description. I think I'm gonna attach the key in here. The other one has like this, you put it right here, you keep it. I'm not sure about this. Bring my other bag. Let me bring my other bag and I'll show you, okay? All right. Okay guys, this one is for the key. The key is inside here, as you can see. So this one is the big one, which is GM, and this one is the medium one, okay? So I'm gonna transfer my things from here to here. All right. Number one will be my makeup bag. I like to put it right here. Okay. And this one is my wallet. So I'm gonna put it in the middle. And this one is my wallet, so I'm going to put it right here. And this one is my eyeglasses. My Chanel eyeglasses, so I'm gonna put it. See? It's right here. Eyeglasses, my wallet, my makeup bag, and my other wallet. Okay? I put my earpad in there all the time, so see, that's how I like to put it. And my earpad will be in the middle. My cards, my sample perfume, and a pen. I always keep those things in my bag. There you go. I still can fit a lot of stuff. You can see how big this bag is. Okay. So this is one of my most favorite Louis Vuitton bag. I love it so much. I've been using this for about 6 months almost. Now it's time to change. I love it, you guys. I wish you can see it in person. And I love the way the handle is. Can you see? See the handle? It is so pretty. So if you are interested, I'm gonna leave their information on the description box. Please check them out, okay? So I want to ask you to what kind of, I make some changes to my channel. My original name Eden at Home becomes very popular, and I like different. When I create that channel, it was different. Nobody was using that name, but I do not like too popular, so I change it to Eden's Lifestyle, which is I like. Of course I change a little bit some things. So we are going to have a lot of different things. We're gonna do like fashion, like unboxing, cleaning, cooking, everything at the same channel. So if you like different things, please let me know. I can make you. Actually, I am working on a fall dresses, fashion try on. Actually, I'm working on fashion dresses try on from Dress Lily. The video will be up this week, probably end of the week, hopefully. And then I have a haul coming up that a haul coming up, and cleaning will be, I have to try it first because I make a lot of changes in the house. So we'll see if I am going to do a cleaning video again. We'll see, but those things are coming up. So if you like different things, please let me know, and on the other channel I'll try to make another video, okay, for you guys. I am so sorry I haven't posted there for about almost 2 weeks. I never do that, but like I told you, I've been so busy, and I'm glad we have extra Labor Day holiday tomorrow, so I can have more time to film. Otherwise, until I see you next one, otherwise that was it for today. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. I love you all so much. Bye. Okay guys, as you can see, this is how it looks, and after I fill up everything, I close it. You see, This is how you close it. This bag is a very, very special bag to me. It's so special. Okay. Okay, guys. So if you are interested in this special bag, I will leave their information on the description box. Please check them out, okay? I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much.